Hey guys, it's Coach Pat back here with another fun at-home adapted lesson. And today we're going to be doing a wheelchair warm-up routine. This is a good warm-up routine that can be used to start your workouts or to really just start your day. Stretching and warming up is a good way to help prevent injuries, increase joint lubrication, and increase blood circulation. So today we're going to be doing 10 different exercises for about 10 reps, and no equipment is needed at all. All right, so our first exercise that we're going to do, we're just going to begin with some mobilization neck circles. So we just want to go to the right, nice, slow neck circles going all the way around for 10. 2, 3, 4. Feel that stretch right here in your neck. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now switch directions. 1, 2, 3. Any particular area you feel that stretch, you need to go ahead and take a little bit more time there. It's all about increasing mobilization right now. 9, and 10. All right, so now we're gonna bring our left ear to our shoulder for 10. 1, 2. Should feel this stretch right here, deltoid area. 3. Ear to the shoulder. 4, 5, 6. Make sure you bring your head back to center after each one. 8, 9, 10. All right, now we'll go right ear to right shoulder. 1. Now we'll feel a stretch on this side. 2. Ooh, I need to. This is where I feel it. 3, 4, 5. This is all about that joint lubrication. Really getting you ready to go. 9, 10. All right, now we're gonna go forward and back up. Forward, back up. 2. Should feel this right in the back of your neck. Forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to go back and back forward. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Just go as far as you need to feel that stretch. I'm feeling it right here. Right back down. 7. This is to your comfort. It's a good for beginners, intermediate, all the way through, just advanced, just trying to get back into a routine. All right. Now we're going to do full turns to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we'll go back and forth. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So now we're starting to feel a little bit loose. Let's get some good shoulder rolls. So we're going to roll backwards for 10. 1, 2, 3, to the side. 3, 4, 5. Pull those shoulder blades back. Roll forward. And shoulder rolls forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. We'll start. Now we'll do a single arm circle. We'll start with our left arm. We'll do 10 circles going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're trying to get full range of motion. 9, 10. All right. And now let's go backwards with our left. 1, 2. Try to keep your chest straight, core tight, so we're getting that full range of motion in our shoulder. All right, switch arms. All right, forward for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go backwards. 1, 2. Good. Keep it up. You got this. It's a great way to start your day. 8, 9, 10. All right, shake it out. All right, this next one we're going to do, we're going to stretch out our triceps. We're going to reach over and touch our opposite shoulder. Okay. And we're going to go for 20 touches. Okay. If you can't reach your shoulder, just go for as far as you can, and where you feel that stretch right in here inside your tricep. So if you can only go to right past your head, that's fine. We'll start with that. 20 touches. Ready? Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you have plenty of space around you. Few more. 8. Got it. Last one. Woo! There we go. All right. Next one we're going to do is stretch out our lats. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're just going to start hands down here and bring them straight up into touchdown or superstar. I don't know if you guys will get that. 3. Superstar. 4. Reach up. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Touchdown. You did it. Shake it out. Shake it out. All right. Next, let's open up our chest a little bit. We'll start out here, out in front, and pull back. 1, 2. Drive those elbows back. Feel that stretch right in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, feel that in right across your chest and even in your back too. All right. So this next one we're going to do with single arms. We're going to make a figure 8 across our body. So reaching across, back over the top, making more of an infinity sign than or it's an 8 on its side. So we'll do that for a 10. Start with our left. Once you get back to the beginning, that'll count. 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, starting to feel it now. All right. Switch hands. Right arm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Cool. A few more. Almost there. You guys are doing great. Next one we're going to do twist rotations. Okay, again, this is for your comfort. Wherever you start to feel that stretch, okay, we're really trying to work that stretch in our spine. But again, this is all your comfort. Turn your eyes with it so you're getting good rotation, but try to keep that core tight so we're really just rotating that spine. All right. Cool. Last one we're going to do. Starting with our left, we're going to reach down to pick up. Reach down and back up. Like we're going down to pick something up and we're getting right back upright. Extend that arm down. You should feel almost a workout in your oblique as well. Good way to get the core nice and warmed up. 7, 9, 10. Switch sides. We'll go to the right. Again, try to keep that core tight. Reaching down. You should feel that right here, the side of your oblique. All right, cool. So there's 10 exercises that you can do to warm up before your workouts or just to start your day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys